Hello, in this video, I will be guiding you through the authorized steps to post or quarantine CrowdStrike Falcon Sensor activity for troubleshooting, so IT admins can safely perform maintenance without disabling protections improperly. First, if you're not an authorized admin, stop here and contact IT. Only admins should perform these steps. Next, authorized admins should log into CrowdStrike Falcon console and locate the host in question. Search by hostname or device ID. And after that, you will use the console's remediation controls or policy settings to create a temporary policy adjustment or to add an exclusion, following your organization's change control procedures. Then, if an unhost action is required for a support scheduled maintenance script via a managed systems tool like SCCM, Intune, and etc. Or request CrowdStrike support guidance. You never disable the service manually outside of approved maintenance windows. And finally, document the change. Monitor the endpoint during the window and restore normal protection policy after work completes. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.